Understanding the Phrase Haven of Havoc, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, Haven of Havoc. This phrase is not only interesting in its structure but also in the vivid imagery it evokes. Let's dive in and unravel its meaning and usage. Haven of Havoc is a phrase composed of two contrasting words, haven and havoc. Let's look at each word separately. Haven. A haven is a place of safety, refuge, or comfort. It's often used to describe a peaceful, protective environment. Havoc. Havoc, on the other hand, refers to widespread destruction, chaos, or confusion. It implies a situation that is out of control. When these two words come together in the phrase, Haven of Havoc, they create a striking contrast. This contrast is what gives the phrase its unique meaning and flavor. The phrase, Haven of Havoc, suggests a place or situation that is intended to be safe or comforting but has instead become chaotic and destructive. It's like finding turmoil in a place where you expected peace. This phrase is often used metaphorically to describe situations that are ironically chaotic. To better understand how Haven of Havoc is used, let's look at some examples. 1. In literature, the once peaceful town had turned into a haven of havoc after the storm hit. 2. In everyday conversation, I thought this vacation would be relaxing, but with all the misadventures, it's been a haven of havoc. 3. In news reports, the city, once a haven for tourists, has now become a haven of havoc due to the ongoing conflict. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various contexts, always highlighting a discrepancy between expectation and reality. I hope this video has been insightful in understanding the phrase, Haven of Havoc. It's a vivid expression that captures the essence of finding chaos in a place of expected tranquility. Keep exploring such phrases to enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. Until next time, happy learning!